Most people in their 20s make money mistakes that cost them years of freedom. But if you learn these 7 lessons early, you can build financial freedom much faster. Lesson 1. Face your money. Many people feel stressed about money and avoid looking at it, but avoiding it makes things worse. Track spending, check accounts, and take control. Lesson 2. Build a healthy relationship with money. Money is not good or bad. It's a tool. When managed well, it supports your goals and gives you freedom. Lesson 3. Invest in knowledge before assets. Skills and learning increase earning power for life. Books, courses, and mentors are often worth more than a quick investment. Lesson 4. Break old money beliefs. Many people are taught a job is the only way or never take risks. These beliefs block growth. Shift to new habits, saving, investing, and building multiple income streams. Lesson 5. Keep finances simple. Complicated systems lead to confusion and procrastination. Stick to one budget method, one savings account, and one clear investment goal. Lesson 6. Start early, even small. The best time to invest is always now. Small amounts invested today grow more than large amounts invested years later. Lesson 7. Make money work for you. Savings alone will not build wealth. Put money into assets that create income like real estate, stocks, or businesses. This is how wealth grows while you sleep. These 7 lessons can completely change financial life. Face money, treat it as a tool, learn before investing, break limiting beliefs, simplify, start early, and make money work. The sooner these lessons are applied, the faster freedom comes. And if you want an easy way to apply these lessons, CEG Stake can help. The platform selects high-demand properties in Dubai and lets you invest with just 500 dirhams. No need to buy a full property or manage tenants. It's a simple way to make money work for you. Link is below.